Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to find out how you can use the Claude Marketplace. In order to do so, here we are at buildwithclaude.com, and we're going to use the handy comment assistant to answer what the Claude Marketplace is all about.
The Claude Marketplace, as shown on buildwithclaude.com, is a collection of nearly 500 practical extensions, plugins, skills, subagents, commands, and hooks that enhance productivity across Claude.ai, Claude Code, and the Claude API. It allows you to add and install these extensions to customize and expand Claude's capabilities for different workflows.
So there you have it. If you are interested in the Claude Marketplace, head over to buildwithclaude.com in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you get $125 per referral. It's a great deal, can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.